There is a potential buy trade setup within this very area. I am on USDJPY 4-hour chart, as you can see at this very point. So the market went upward. We were in the trade from this very point, from this very support area, okay, for market to move to the upside. And one thing very important from this very standpoint is that market did move upward, and we were expecting market to retrace back down. And exact same thing we are seeing right now, market is retracing. So after this retracement is continuation of the same move. So you see that market move from here all the way to the upside. So we have continuation is going to come up after this very retracement to the upside, and that is what I am expecting right now from this very price action. So potential trade that is coming up on this very pair USDJPY to the upside, in my opinion, is like this. So from this very point is the first area where I am expecting the market to move upward, and then the second area I am expecting the market to move upward from is from this very area as well. So from this very point, market should move upward, or from this very area, market should move upward. And this very trade is going to be 1 to 3, 1 to 4 risk reward ratio. So if you take the buy position 2 from this very point and you place it around this very area, okay, stop loss obviously will be slightly below this very area, and then take profit target is going to be at this very point, okay. This is how this trade is going to look like. So I still expect that the market come back down a little bit, okay, from this very point where the market is right now. Market should come back down a little bit into this very area, and then after the market come into this very area, the next move to the upside, that is when I will drop this very signal on the Telegram channel. Remember, our last trade on this Telegram channel was this trade right at this very point where we make about 126 pips all the way to the upside. So I'm going to still drop this very trade on this very channel. So if you've not joined the Telegram channel, link in the description of this very video and in the pinned comments, join right now. It is a free Telegram channel. So you see this very trade right here that I gave. We have 126 pips profit at this very point, and this trade went very well, even beyond expectation in my opinion. But if you come to where price action is right now, it is covered that price action is moving down as expected for correction before continuation. So if you want to take this trade with us, join the Telegram channel. Now the next scenario I want to see on price action is for the market to come back into this very area. That means market coming into this very point of support. So this is the first area support, and then the second area support at this very point. So these are the two areas I am expecting market to come into before the next move to the upside, and this is what you need to pay attention to right now to be in the right direction of the market. So this second area is for the market to move to this very point, to the downside, to this very area where we have this very support level before the next move to the upside. So if market move into this very point, then this is going to be in this formation like this, okay. So from this very point, I will expect market to still move upward, and the risk reward ratio, of course, is going to be 1 to 4 risk reward ratio, which is very significant. So this is what you need to pay attention to right now. So from this very area is the entry, the stop loss at this very point, the entry within this very area, and the take profit target is going to be within this very area where we see the market move back down from. So from this very area, this is going to give us about 1 to 3, 1 to 4 risk reward ratio as well. So in any case, what you should be expecting from the market from this moment moving forward is for the market to have this continuation move after the end of this very retracement. And once I receive that confirmation from price action, I will be giving that very trade on the Telegram channel, and this is going to be very, very significant because that trade is coming very, very soon. So what you should be paying attention to obviously is for the market moving to the upside. Either market come here and then afterward move to the upside, or market deep down into this very point, and then afterward we see the market move all the way to the upside. This is what I am now paying attention to on this very price action USDJPY 4 hours chart. Pay attention to these guys to be in the right direction of the market. And if you come to the price of gold xauusd, we've seen that the price of gold has been moving all the way to the upside. We see this very breakout right here. Of course, I was expecting the market to come back down, but market did not. I am not in any position on gold. I was waiting for the market to come back down and then show me some sign to sell the market. Of course, I was also expecting that this week gold should sell off, but we are seeing a very surprising move from the price of gold into this very area of $4,500. So what I am now expecting is for correction to come into the market. So since the market moved this much, I am no longer expecting the market to sell off on the price of gold. I have changed my perspective. And that is one thing about technical analysis. You change your perspective in line with what price is doing, in line with the trend of the market. So what I am now expecting is for the market to retrace from this very move to the upside. Look at how the market has been moving in the previous days. From here, market move upward and then come back down, and then we see this very consolidation within this area. Market moves straight to the upside, and what I'm expecting is retracement to the downside and then continuation to the upside. And that is why I am expecting that the market from here should not have that momentum to push all the way to the upside. Of course, anything can happen on price action, but looking at that or taking a trade from here will be very, very dangerous. That is why it is good to wait for the market to retrace from this very area, this very point of 4,525, and this very area where the market is right now of 4,490. Within this very point, market retrace back to the downside to this very area, and then continuation to the upside. That is when I will look for taking a trade from this very area for a buy to the upside on the price of gold. This is very, very important right now because a lot of people are talking about gold moving all the way to the upside, because if you look at it, gold is a safe haven asset when it comes to commodity. And I believe that if the market retraces this much and monitoring the momentum of the market of this very retracement that will come in very, very soon is going to also guarantee if the market is going to really, really move from this very area to the upside for a continuation for a buy opportunity. This is what I am now looking for on the price of gold right now. So since I did not enter a trade when the market move into this very area as you're seeing right now, the best thing to do is not to take a sell position for retracement back down. It will be wise for you to wait, because that's what I'm doing. I am waiting for retracement to come in from this very area to the downside, and then within this very zone, I'll be expecting market to bounce up for continuation to the upside as well. And this is what you must have to pay attention to. Keep your eye on this if you really want to be in the right direction of the market right now. So this is what I am looking at on the price of gold xauusd and also JPY USD or USDJPY. And if you come to the Telegram channel right here, if you've not joined the Telegram channel, link in the description of this video and also in the pinned comment. Join right now. It is a free channel. Consider supporting this channel by leaving a like for this video, subscribe if you haven't already, and turn on the bell notification for more forex videos like this one. If you want to watch my other videos on the channel, check this video out. It's going to help you, and check this video out as well. It's going to help you too. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.